All right, here we are in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you how to make a gradient that fades into transparency. So first things we're going to need is our gradient palette. And let's get our color palette out too, so we can color this thing. And that's what we have here. So first thing, we click on here, we add the gradient. Now you can see that that's in our fill over here. And in order to modify the colors on the gradient, this is where it gets a little confusing. What you need to do, and then, let's make sure we have show options here, right? So show options, that toggles this on and off. So you can click on the black guy over here, and now we can change the color. I'm going to make it red. See? So this is how you change the colors. However, this is white. So if it's on a white page, it is fading into transparency because what's behind it is white. But I'm going to show you the transparency grid here. And you can see that this is in fact white. So what we want to do is we want to come over here and we want to change this color to be transparent. And you can't do that here. If you click on no fill, that's just going to get rid of the gradient altogether. No, I didn't have it selected, sorry. See that? So that's not cool. What we want to do is click on this, make sure you have that selected, and then you're going to drop the opacity down. So it's no matter what color it is, really, it's going to be 0. See? Now on the transparency grid, you can see that it is truly transparent. And I know this looks like Photoshop, but yeah, this is Illustrator. And you can drag this over here to make it more intense. This is your fader. So, but yeah, you can see that. I'm going to turn the transparency grid back off. But yeah, that's it. I mean, isn't that cool? That is how you do the transparency. Just transparency. Just lower that all the way down to 0, and you are good to go. So hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like, leave me a comment. Thanks.